याद नहीं
थोड़ा सा पीछे होके प्रॉपर बैठिए, पीछे जितना चेयर पे जा सकते हैं, और फिर स्ट्रेट बैठिए।
सर बट बहुत टाइम लगेगा, सो आई थॉट कि जल्दी से
टाइम
बैठ
लगेगा?
मतलब आराम से बैठकर।
नहीं,
सो
अगर ऐसा है तो आप घर में चेयर रख के 4-5 बार कोशिश करके देख लीजिए, टाइम तो बराबर ही लगेगा बैठने में। टाइम कैसे कम या ज्यादा लग सकता है?
सर प्लीज मैं कम इन।
आइए।
गुड आफ्टरनून सर। गुड आफ्टरनून।
गुड आफ्टरनून इति, प्लीज टेक योर सीट।
थैंक यू सर।
इति, यू वांट दिस इंटरेक्शन टू बी इन हिंदी और इंग्लिश?
Sir, whatever language means, I can talk in Hindi as well as English.
Tell us something about you.
Sir, my name is Iti Chaturvedi. I am from Gorakhpur. I have completed my school education from St. Mary's Convent Carmel School, and for my college education, I went to Vanasthali Vidyapith, Rajasthan, where I pursued BTech in Biotechnology.
और बीटेक आपने कब किया?
Sir, 2013.
और तब से क्या कर रही है पिछले 5 साल?
सर उसके बाद मैंने प्रिपरेशन करनी शुरू करी है।
5 साल?
यस सर।
5 साल से आप केवल तैयारी कर रही हैं, और आप बायोटेक जो आपने किया था उसका कोई इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रही हैं?
नहीं सर।
That's such a waste, नहीं?
सर बायोटेक से मुझे बहुत सारे मतलब मेरा नॉलेज बेस एनहांस हुआ है, बट मुझे नहीं लगा मैं फर्दर बायोटेक लेके कंपटीशन एग्जाम में बैठ सकती हूँ, सो आई थॉट कि क्विटिंग बायोटेक।
But why not get into the industry with biotech and do something good?
Sir, after completing my graduation, I tried in some of the companies, but they were asking for higher education, means MTech in biotech or PhD in biotech, and I wasn't in that financial status कि I can pursue my education, so I quit biotech and started preparing for exams.
अच्छा बताइए, इति कोई अपना नाम कैसे रख सकता है? कोई परिवार में अपने बच्चे का नाम इति क्यों रखेगा? आदि रखते हैं, इति कोई क्यों रखेगा?
सर मुझे भी ये कंप्लेन थी पहले। मैं अपनी मम्मा के पास गई, उन्होंने मुझे बोला इति मतलब कंप्लीट होता है, यू टेक इट इन अ पॉजिटिव मैनर। इति मतलब पूर्ण होता है हिंदी या संस्कृत में, समाप्त। तो मम्मी ने मुझे बोला तुम कंप्लीट और संपूर्ण समझ के अपने आप को ये नाम वो करो आगे।
मतलब आपको बहला दिया गया?
आई डोंट नो सर, बट मुझे बहुत कन्विंसिंग लगा, तो आई वाज हैप्पी आफ्टर दैट।
चलिए थी, तो फिर बातचीत शुरू करते हैं। आप वनस्थली से पढ़ी हैं। वनस्थली इज कंसिडर्ड वन ऑफ प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ विमेन एजुकेशन। मुझे इस इंस्टीट्यूशन की कुछ बेसिक जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं, जो मुख्य इसकी विशेषताएं हैं, वो बताइए।
सर वनस्थली 1935 में स्टैब्लिश हुआ था। हीरालाल शास्त्री और रतन शास्त्री ने स्टैब्लिश करा था। ये एक वुमेन एजुकेशन का पूरा इंस्टीट्यूशन है। इसमें क्लास 4 से PhD तक लेवल तक एजुकेशन होती है, प्लस होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट में एम्फसाइज करते हैं, लाइक कल्चरल डेवलपमेंट एज वेल एज एजुकेशनल डेवलपमेंट, एंड 5 टाइप्स ऑफ डेवलपमेंट पे इनका एम्फोसिस होता है, लाइक मॉरल, एस्थेटिक, प्रैक्टिकल, स्पिरिचुअल। हर रिलीजन और हर कस्टम्स के बारे में हमें वहाँ सिखाया जाता है, एंड सिंपल लिविंग एंड हाई थिंकिंग का पूरा सिस्टम है वनस्थली में। सर खादी वेयरिंग इज द इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट इन वनस्थली विद्यापीठ।
So it's more of a Gandhian institution rather than a modern education institution.
Sir, it's an amalgamation of modern as well as Gandhian education system, what Gandhi propagated.
Do you think it's still relevant, considering that keeping women away from boys and only girls will study? That, I mean, it was probably required in 1930s, but it's time to move on now.
Sir, as I have spent 4 years in Banasthali, I never came across to a situation where I felt that co-education was important. Means I am very okay with interacting people outside Banasthali. Means there is no inhibition.
It's even more dangerous that you studied for 4 years, you never realized that co-education is important. I mean, that's such a bad conditioning, isn't it?
As I don't feel so. Education is a holistic kind of sort.
Holistic with a single gender. How can something whole, which is so incomplete?
Sir, I was okay over there, and it was for safety and security reasons as well. Because in Vanasthali, the classes...
In 30s it was important. It was probably important till 1670s or 80s. But now, we all understand that women... it appears it's anti-women actually to keep women in only women institution, isn't it?
So when it was started in 1930s, it was the sole aim was educating women over there in Vanasthali Vidyapith. Later on, they have brought some changes, and might be if medical and other education, like where men should be there, then they might consider it. Like in aviation, Vanasthali Vidyapith also teaches aviation courses. In them, boys are there.
Iti, How beneficial it is to study sociology?
Sir, before going for Vanasthali Vidyapit, I was thinking of joining some of the humanities subject. Then I was inclined towards sociology. And after completing my education, when biotech was not that relevant for me, then I thought of pursuing it because it helps me in a better understanding of people as well as their needs. Societal better understanding I developed after reading biotech, sociology.
Have you studied Bhojpuri speaking society?
Yes, sir.
Salient features?
Sir, as exactly the salient feature I don't know, but at my place in Gorakhpur, people used to speak Bhojpuri. So I can tell salient feature over there.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, community solidarity is the biggest thing in Eastern UP from where I belong. The second salient feature is the culture. They are very close to their culture, means like celebrating festivals and everything. They don't compromise in it like the people in metropolitan area does. And
Linguistic feature?
linguistic feature.
They use very frequently slangs and abusive words in their colloquial uses.
Yes, sir.
Why this is so? Have
So,
you gone deeper into the psychological factors behind this sociological habit?
no, sir, I haven't thought of it, but I'll think of it.
Okay. How comfortable would you be in Bihar? Bihar is a very rogue kind of society. People are not cultured,
Sir,
not well behaved.
Sir, Eastern UP and Bihar are somewhat similar related to culture, people, society as well as problems. So I think I'll be okay there, working there. I'll be happy.
How would you like to lead the society of Bihar into a more prosperous life, economic as well as non-economic measures required?
Okay. Sir, as a woman, I have faced what hardships a woman faces during her lifetime and whatever career she wants to achieve. The first thing I'll ensure in Bihar that women's safety as well as security, so that they don't have to compromise their career because of security reasons. First thing I'll ensure this. Second, I'll ensure health prospects in Bihar. Third, which I can give some input, is agriculture sector, which needs better awareness as farmers are not aware there. The fourth thing I'll ensure is road connectivity, which the Chief Minister of Bihar is working, and I'll
Okay,
ensure that.
are you aware of the size of budget of Bihar
Sir,
nowadays?
exact figure I don't
Per
know.
capita income in Bihar, roughly?
Sir, it's lower than national per capita income and it's the lowest among the Bimaru states.
Growth rate of GDP in Bihar in recent years?
Sorry, sir, exact figure I don't remember, but it is increasing.
Major tourist centers in Bihar?
Sir, first is Nalanda University, which is a tourist center there. Buddhism is also propagated there, as well as Jainism can be seen. Plus, Ramayan circuit is also encompassing Bihar.
Which mineral ores are found in Bihar?
Sir, sulfur is present in Rohtas in Bihar, as well as coals and other minerals are also present in Bihar.
Which is the first district when you enter Bihar from Mughalsarai route?
So that I don't know.
Okay, which districts border Nepal?
Sir, Gopalganj borders Nepal. Sir, Raxaul is also bordering Nepal. Yes.
Raxaul is in Bihar,
Sir, I don't remember it right now, but
or it is in the side of Nepal.
it is inside Nepal and Bihar.
Okay, nice.
Ithi, you have done your BTech in biotech.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what do you understand by designer babies?
Sir, designer babies is a concept in which we insert a particular kind of gene in a baby with desired characteristics which we require. And in China recently, a scientist has claimed that he has designed
Which technology has been used?
Sir, in vitro fertilization as well as gene editing. CRISP's Cas9 technology has been used.
Is it CRISP or CRISPR?
CRISPR, sorry, sir.
CRISPR-Cas9. What is the full form?
Sir, I don't recall it right now.
Okay. So what are the ethical issues that may crop up?
So the first thing which people are saying, as well as the ethical concerns are also there. Like if people are got to the technology of designing babies, then natural it will be a injustice with nature. As people who are from affluent background, they can design their baby according to their needs and what they want in a.
So there will be a better human race. What's the problem?
Sir, but it is not all encompassing. Means everyone is not given
There
the
may be
entire.
some. Are there some risks associated with this?
Yes, sir. If a genetic change has been done, it can continue to further coming generations, and we don't exactly know what will be the impact of it.
Is cloning allowed by Government of India?
Sir, cloning of animals like buffalo is being done in India.
What
but
is the status of human cloning?
Sir, it is not allowed in India.
Not even for medical purposes?
Sir, I don't know it exactly, but I think it's not allowed in India for medical.
Therapeutic cloning, do you have any idea?
Yes, sir.
Is it allowed?
Sir, therapeutic drug design is allowed in India. Therapeutic cloning, I don't think so, sir.
Now tell me, like, how many districts in Bihar?
Sir, 38 districts are there in Bihar.
Divisions?
9.
Is there a legislative council in Bihar?
Yes, sir.
How many members?
Sir, 2.
In legislative council?
Sir, I don't remember it right now.
There is some legislative council there or not?
Yes, sir, it is.
And legislative assembly?
Yes, sir.
How many members are there in legislative?
243 in legislative assembly.
How many MPs are there?
Sir, 45.
Are you asking or telling us?
Sir,
How many panchayats are there?
Sir, I don't remember.
Iti,
Yes, sir.
since you come from Uttar Pradesh,
Yes.
so the government there is focusing more on renaming of places. So what is your idea? Like, is it good or?
Sir, since it is an executive decision, as well as for the earlier government has also done the same, and if it's not hampering development and it is in cognizance
But
of
is it promoting development?
Sir, the naming of Allahabad to Prayagraj, it enhances. People are knowing Allahabad from the Sangam, and Prayag is famous for it. So people can easily connect with Prayagraj. So
Okay.
I don't think it's
You don't find any problem in renaming Allahabad?
Sir, if development is not hampered, then there's no issue. Welfare and development of people is not hampered in any executive action.
Okay. Tell me, what is your view on the Sabrimala verdict by Supreme Court?
In Sabrimala verdict, there's a clash between tradition as well as equality, and some Supreme Court has viewed that right of women has a constitutional right to worship, so discriminating them because of their some biological
So
or
everybody should be allowed irrespective of gender or age?
Sir, according to Supreme Court, it is equality should be
No,
maintained.
according to you, like what is your view? Everybody should be allowed?
Sir, there are a few temples in Karnataka as well as some in Bihar as well, where men are not allowed. So, according to me, in Sabrimala, they are not discriminating exactly
Since you are
women.
yourself coming from Banasthali,
Yes, sir.
so does it twist your view in some way?
No, sir.
That you justify segregation?
No, sir, this is not the case. In Sabrimala, segregation is just of age group. Means they are saying that Sabrimala, the Lord Ayyappa, is a deity. He is not a god. So someone is not discriminating women. They are just asking a particular section of women not to visit the temple.
So, still I am not getting your view. Do you support it?
Sir, if it's not hampering the means there are some core concerns in a religion, and we shouldn't hamper it because of as after Supreme Court verdict, people are there as agitating their.
So you are more inclined towards what Indu Malhotra has said, the dissenting opinion.
Tell us, supplementary. Tell us the beneficial uses of taboos, social taboos.
Sir, social taboos have been in our culture since long, and it has built a kind of solidarity as well as a defined kind of culture is because of social taboos.
Should we let taboos transform with the passage of time, and should we dismantle old taboos and welcome new taboos?
Yes, sir. For a development of a society, it is very essential that we reconsider what taboos earlier, which is not now important.
Suppose you are an administrator at places like Sabrimala, and there is a clear order from the administration as well as the Supreme Court, and you are supposed to implement it.
Yes, sir.
But you are not inclined personally to accept Supreme Court's verdict. What will you do in such situation?
Sir, being an administrator, neutrality is very important, political neutrality as well as my thought neutrality. So I have to do whatever the Supreme Court or the government tells me. So I'll pursue what they say.
So you believe the administration in Sabrimala is failing to do what their duty is. They are allowing agitators to block women actually visiting temple.
Sir, they are just maintaining the situation there because if women are allowed to go, then agitator might harm them or they can create a environment there. So they are just maintaining the security and safety of women.
Okay, आपको फिल्में देखना पसंद है,
Yes, sir.
आपको कहानियाँ पढ़ना पसंद है हिंदी की, और आपको ग्राफोलॉजी, ये क्या होती है?
सर, ग्राफोलॉजी एक आर्ट होती है जिसमें हम राइटिंग के बेसिस पे पर्सनालिटी जज करते हैं.
बताइए कैसे पढ़ते हैं आप? I mean, you studied sociology and you studied biotech as well. Relate it and tell me, isn't it superstitious to believe that somebody's writing will tell you about the personality of the person?
Sir, when we write, the entire nervous system work as well as our thought process work along
That's what
with it.
ज्योतिष से जब सारा सब घूमता है उसका मैग्नेटिज्म आता है.
Sir, the graphology is not connected to Jyotish. It's more inclined towards a science. Like a pressure of a person or the size of his or her handwriting can determine what kind of thought process a person is going through, a phase he or she is going through. It's not exactly correct. It's 80 to 70% the ratio is of successful.
Iti, tell me, if you believe that the, say, certain traits in handwriting actually reflects the personality, in effect, you're also saying somebody changing his or her handwriting will change his or her personality.
So with time, personality change as well as handwriting changes.
For example, if it is assumed that giving certain pressures at certain points means certain negative or undesirable traits in personality, and I want to change my undesirable traits in personality, so rather than working on my personality, I should work on my handwriting.
Sir, as I'll change in my personality, the same will be coming to my handwriting. Means
Not
you
the
can't,
other way around.
no, sir, you can't do this other. You can think of it and write in 1 page, 2 page, but after the 3rd or 4th page, I'll be coming to my the personality I'm having. So first I have to make change in my personality, then it can come to the writing.
Okay, one more thing. What kind of conclusion you draw about the personality if the handwriting is very clumsy, very poor?
Sir, it depends. A clumsy or poor handwriting doesn't determine a person. There are many factors.
How it reflects the personality?
It reflects the confused mindset of a personality.
So
Like
do you believe
writing.
that Gandhiji was confused?
No, sir.
His handwriting was very poor.
Yes, sir. I have gone through few handwriting like Roosevelt. His handwriting was also very poor. But during my studies, I have been told that a person with a poor handwriting, he is a more disciplined person as well as he is more creative at it. So
earlier
Gandhiji
you said that a person with poor handwriting means confused mind.
Yes, sir. Confusion and creativity comes together. If we are firm with something, then we can't create something. But
Okay.
if we are in a dilemma.
Got your point.
Okay, thank you.
Nice.
ठीक है इति, it was very nice talking to you. You can please leave.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
जी इति, कैसा रहा इंटरव्यू? क्या गड़बड़ हो रही है?
सर शायद नॉलेज बेस कम है मेरा, मतलब मुझे फैक्ट सेट याद नहीं
थोड़ा सा पीछे होके प्रॉपर बैठिए, पीछे जितना चेयर पे जा सकते हैं, और फिर स्ट्रेट बैठिए. दैट्स बेटर.
ओके.
ठीक है, आप वीडियो देखिएगा, आपको पता लगेगा. इट्स लाइक यू आर नॉट एट ईज. ठीक है ना? जो पूरे इंटरव्यू में आप लगातार बोर्ड मेंबर्स को भी इस बात से बार बार ध्यान जा रहा है कि आप कंफर्टेबली नहीं बैठी हैं, आप एंजाइटी से या तो भरी हुई हैं, या आप मतलब यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल, यू आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू कन्वर्सेशन. ठीक है ना? दिस इज बेटर. ठीक है, वो वहाँ पे भी अगर बैक वाली चेयर जो कि होगी ही, तो जितना पीछे पहले जा सकते हैं वहाँ, फिर स्ट्रेट बैठिए.
सर बट बहुत टाइम लगेगा, सो आई थॉट कि जल्दी से
Time
बैठ जाए. मतलब आराम से बैठकर.
नहीं,
सो
अगर ऐसा है तो आप घर में चेयर रख के 4-5 बार कोशिश करके देख लीजिए. टाइम तो बराबर ही लगेगा बैठने में. टाइम कैसे कम या ज़्यादा लग सकता है? ठीक है. सी इट्स गुड इन द सेंस दैट एक तो आप फ्रेश एक कैंडिडेट दिखाई देती हैं, यंग कैंडिडेट दिखाई देती हैं, और ये एक सेंस में बोर्ड मेंबर्स को एक प्रॉमिसिंग कैंडिडेट के इंडिकेटर्स की तरह दिखेगा। ठीक है, आप ये कुल मिलाकर पढ़ाई लिखाई भी आपको हेल्प ही करती है, विच इज़ गुड। आपका एनालिसिस सब्जेक्ट एरियाज में अच्छा है, सब्जेक्ट एरियाज में आप ठीक से, जहाँ तक एनालिटिकल फैकल्टीज़ की बात है, इट्स गुड। अपार्ट फ्रॉम आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर द काइंड ऑफ स्टैंड्स यू आर टेकिंग विल be really good or not, but you do justify them the way you want to. उस पर ज़्यादा नहीं कहा जा सकता, but I'll still advise you to revisit your stand on Sabrimala. ठीक है, look at it. अगर आप उसके अगेंस्ट ही बोलना चाह रही हैं, सोच रही हैं, तो फिर then dissenting voice जो थी, जो dissenting judge हैं, क्या नाम है, इंदु मल्होत्रा वाले, उसको अच्छे से देख लीजिए उन आर्ग्यूमेंट्स को, कि अगर आप उसकी तरफ जाना चाहती हैं, या अदरवाइज आई थिंक इट एडवाइजेबल टू से कि ठीक है, देयर इज अ वॉइस बट progressive things suggest
So,
that you
sir, I should go in line of the entire what Supreme Court. Means I can't decide over it, but
yeah, if you're very firm that you are against the Supreme Court verdict, in that case I'll advise you to go by the Indu Malhotra thing. उसे पढ़ लीजिए, या फिर आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट के डिसीजन के साथ जाइए। ठीक है ना, थोड़ा, हालांकि यू ट्राइड जस्टिफाइंग इट, और ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने गलत किया, बट वो थोड़ा सा खटक रहा था। आई एम नॉट श्योर कि आप क्या, क्योंकि अगर आप बिल्कुल ऐसा कुछ बोलेंगे जो जिसमें बिल्कुल यकीन नहीं करती हैं, तो वो मास्किंग जैसा हो जाएगा, तो वो भी अच्छी बात नहीं है। सो यू डिसाइड अबाउट इट। ठीक है, एक आध जगह पे मुझे ये जरूर लगा कि फॉर्मल, ये फैक्चुअल चीज़ें आपको समझ में आ गई कि बिहार स्पेशली आपने अभी अच्छे से नहीं देखा है।
yes sir.
ठीक है ना, उसे ब्रशअप कर लीजिए। आपका इंटरव्यू आपने गलत डेट लिखी हुई है, कब?
सर 6th को है, 6 जुलाई।
फर्स्ट लिखी हुई है, आज की डेट लिखी हुई है।
सर वो मैंने आज का डेट डाल दिया था, इट इज 6th। ओके,
तो आपके पास जितना समय है उसी हिसाब से चीज़ देखिएगा। ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत एम्बिशियस होके मत पढ़िएगा, जितना उस टाइम के हिसाब से पॉसिबल है उतना ही देखिए।
सर मुझे फैक्ट्स और फिगर्स नहीं याद होते, मतलब इट इज,
अगर एग्जैक्ट ये स्थिति है कि कभी भी याद नहीं होते हैं, तो फिर आप तो उसी समय मान जाइए, इस बात को बताइए कि फैक्ट्स मैंने एग्जैक्ट वो फैक्ट्स नहीं पता, बट एक जनरल ट्रेंड पकड़ लीजिए। ठीक है ना। एक आध जगह पर आप थोड़ा सा इनफॉर्मल रिएक्शंस देती हैं। यू कैन नॉट एक्चुअली से ममा इन अ इंटरव्यू। ठीक है ना। इसी तरीके से अगर मान लीजिए आप अपने इंस्टीट्यूशन के संस्थापक का नाम बोल रहे हैं, तो उसके साथ कुछ सेलिब्रेशंस लगाइए, श्री, मिस्टर, जी, कुछ तो शास्त्री। ठीक है ना, वो थोड़ा सा अच्छा रहेगा। कुल मिला के फॉर्मल, एक जगह पर इसी तरह से हंसी भी इनफॉर्मल वाली लगती है, जो कि एक सेंस में अच्छा है, प्लेजेंट बनता है, लेकिन उससे सी यू कैन नॉट आस्क फॉर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव जॉब लाइक अरे बहुत अच्छी बच्ची है, देखो, दैट विल नॉट हैपन। ठीक है ना, बहुत अच्छी बच्ची है मान लेंगे, उसके बावजूद वो आपको जॉब नहीं देंगे। ठीक है ना, मतलब वो आपको उसके लिए एडिशनल मार्क्स नहीं देंगे। सो इट मेक्स सेंस टू प्रूव दैट ओके यू मीन बिजनेस। ठीक है ना, तो आप फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन, औपचारिक संप्रेषण रखिए, अच्छा रहेगा। अदरवाइज यू परफेक्ट, बहुत शानदार आपका प्रेजेंटेशन है, आपकी प्रेजेंस बहुत सूथिंग है, आपका कम्युनिकेशन एकदम क्लियर है, आप हिंदी अंग्रेजी दोनों में अच्छे से बोल रही हैं। सो आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनी अदर इशू। ठीक है, चलिए, शुभकामनाएं।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।